Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we're going to cover one of the most important parts of any conversation, asking how are you and knowing how to respond. In Hebrew, just like in many other languages, there are many different ways to ask this simple question, ranging from formal to super casual. So, let's dive right in. To ask how are you when speaking to a male, ask מה שלומך? מה שלומך? מה what שלומך, your well-being when speaking to a male. And when speaking to a female, ask מה שלומך? מה שלומך? To ask, what's up? Ask, מה נשמע? מה נשמע? מה, what? נשמע, we will hear. So it's kind of like asking, what are we hearing from you? To ask, how's it going? Ask, מה המצב? מה המצב? מה what? המצב, the situation. To ask, what's happening? Ask, מה קורה? מה קורה? מה what? קורה is happening. To ask, what's happening with you? When speaking to a male, ask, מה קורה איתך? מה, what? קורה is happening, איתך, with you, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה קורה איתך? מה, what? קורה is happening, איתך, with you, singular female. To ask, what's going on? Ask, מה הולך? מה הולך? מה, what? הולך is going. To ask, is everything alright? Ask, הכל בסדר? הכל בסדר? הכל, everything, בסדר, alright? Now, let's go over some of the possible responses. To say great or cool, you can say סבבה. סבבה. To say everything is good, say הכל טוב. הכל טוב. הכל, everything, טוב, good. To say awesome, say אחלה. אחלה. To say excellent, say מצוין. מצוין. To say wonderful, say נפלא. נפלא. To say alright or okay, say בסדר. בסדר. To say not bad, say לא רע. לא רע. לא, not, רע, bad. To say so, say ככה, ככה. ככה, ככה. To say tired as a male, say עייף. יף. To say tired as a female, say עייפה. עייפה. To say not great, say לא משהו. לא משהו. And the literal translation is not something. לא not משהו something. To keep the conversation going after you answered how you are, you can ask, and you? When speaking to a male, you would say ואתה, ואתה. And when speaking to a female, say ואת, ואת. You can also ask, what about you? When speaking to a male, you would say מה איתך? מה, what? איתך, with you, singular male. And when speaking to a female, you can ask מה איתך? מה, what? איתך, with you, singular female. Now, the first person can answer with one of the responses we've already talked about, or they can say גם, which means also. גם, or גם אצלי, with me also. גם אצלי. Now, let's see two examples. On the first example, the first person is a male. מה נשמע? הכל טוב. מה איתך? גם אצלי. הכל טוב. On the second example, the first person is a female. מה המצב? בסדר. ואת? לא רע. Try to create more example conversations in the comments below. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.